So, this is a final video to fix the Uni TL LCD fan not working in Lian Li cases. And if you've been struggling with it, you're in the right place. Are you noticing your fan stays still or the LCD doesn't light up properly? This usually happens because the fan header isn't set correctly or the software doesn't detect it. And many guides online make it look way more complicated than it really is. On Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes this in seconds without endless settings or confusing steps. All you need is to check the fan connection. Make sure the L-Connect software is up to date, and apply a tiny adjustment in the control panel to wake your fan and LCD instantly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click, comment below and I'll make it for you.